If you want to access OneDrive from your PC without syncing everything to your computer, this is the easiest method to use. In this video, I'll show you how to open OneDrive in your browser, sign in safely, browse your files, and download only the files you actually need. This is perfect if you want to save storage space, avoid clutter on your PC, or simply use OneDrive without turning on the desktop sync app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open a web browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the OneDrive website. You can type OneDrive into the search bar or go directly to the official Microsoft OneDrive page. When the site loads, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the account that has the files you want to access. After signing in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboard, where all of your cloud files are stored online. From here, you can browse folders, open documents, view photos, and access your files directly from the website. The key point here is that you are using OneDrive through the browser, so nothing has to be synced to your PC. That means your files stay online only unless you choose to download them manually. If you want to open a file, just click on it, and it will load in the browser or in the Microsoft Online Editor, depending on the file type. You can also organize your files, search for specific documents, and move through folders just like you would in a normal file manager. If you need a file on your computer, download it only when needed. That gives you full control over what stays in the cloud and what gets saved locally. This method is especially useful if your PC has limited storage, if you're using a shared computer, or if you simply don't want the OneDrive desktop app syncing everything in the background. And that's really all there is to it. By using OneDrive in your browser, you can access your files from any PC without syncing the entire drive. It's simple, secure, and very convenient. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.